a hidden local dessert store, which is called as Mandai in local. And this had been operated for 50 years. So what is Mandai for? Man means for sweet potato and dai means for the corn. So basically the dessert is from the sweet potato, corn and pineapple, and they will sauce some syrup sauce and to form a dessert. Now I would like to introduce to all of you to discover this amazing dessert. Here come our mandai, which make up of layers, and let's try out how it tastes. It actually tastes like our Malaysian cendol, and it's more towards the sweet base. Let's try out.